Hello friends, today I'm going to show you this awesome mini boutique cash register. This super cool cash register has a picture of me and Daisy. There's a mini charge card, some play coins, paper play money, a shopping basket with food, and this scanner makes realistic sounds. There's also a really fantastic picture of me on the box. This cash register is adorable. There's a pink bow with white polka dots. And look at the heart-shaped buttons and the bow. And look, there's Mickey's head. The cash drawer is decorated with hearts and a picture of me. There's more hearts around the side and more Mickey heads. The scanner is also a bow. The paper money has pictures of me, and so does the charge card. There's a nickel, a dime, and a quarter, and a bow on the back of each coin. And here's our yummy apple and croissant. I love the shopping basket because it's pink and purple and it has hearts. Now it's time to have some fun. I'm going to have Toy Collector TV help me out. To turn it on, just press this heart-shaped button at the top. Now let's add some things together. $1, 1.00 plus 2.00 equals $3. Now to hear some Minnie Mouse phrases, just press the bow-shaped button. Then when you want to open the cash drawer, press the button that's shaped like Mickey's head. When you press the button, it scans your item. Let's ring up this apple with the scanner. The apple is $2.50. 2.50. That's an expensive apple. Now let's scan the croissant. The croissant is $2.50 as well, so press plus 2.50 and total $5. Now press the